Hey everyone, welcome back to Reverse Hub and this part of the channel, which is the Garrison project. Firstly, sorry for any sort of long periods of no videos. We've had loads going on with the Garrison itself, not actually doing anything. We've had the hub itself, which has been quite busy, and we've got the festival that we run, so things have been quite busy in general. On the Garrison side, there's been a lot of things on hold and pausing, waiting for other people to sort things out. One reason or another, they haven't happened, which is kind of leading on to this video, really. So I just wanted to let everybody know where we was at. So back in, for those that haven't seen the videos, back in October 21, I did the first video, and what was the idea behind the Garrison was that it was a project area, something myself, being a veteran myself, it was a case of trying to build a sort of a space, a workshop with different projects on the go to give guys and girls a chance to get down if they wanted to, talk shit to like-minded people, just get back in that community, especially on the mental health side as well. Not necessarily all about that, but a big part of that in this day and age was just try and give people a focus using projects, whether it be car or bike, and just be no sort of quite a relaxed environment, but just having an area for these things going on. So back in October, we started the process, which I was quite passionate about. The charity, obviously, that was involved, got involved at the same time then to take it onto the next level. And mainly with the grant side of things, obviously, I was sort of sourcing everything and getting things in order and trying to build the area itself. So we did 7 videos, I think it was. Those that have been following obviously know. I think the first 3 were about the build itself. We built up with the unit, getting things in place, sourcing tools, sourcing ramps. Then we had the bike, which the chopper, the rally chopper, the hardtail chopper, from talking to customers that was sort of got involved with, and they wanted us to, when he spoke to me, he wanted to get us to build. Obviously he was quite keen on seeing veterans building it, and then we was obviously going to sell it off at the end of it. And the main project being the Land Rover 3 Series, which again through a customer that came in and his family, knowing the family back in Wales, put us onto the Land Rover, which we went and collected. So I think we did 3 videos on the Land Rover, and then it kind of went on pause a little while there was a few things going on. I needed to concentrate on the hub itself, because obviously this is our main business, and without the hub surviving, obviously everything would disappear. So we kind of took a little bit of a backward step, waiting for other people to sort things, which in short didn't happen. And what's resulted in obviously in a short story, resulted in the charity pulling out. So obviously they've pulled out the back unit, and then now we're back to square one basically. I shall flip the camera around now so you can see where we're at. So as the title of the video shows, everything's gone other than the bike ramp, which is waiting to be collected. Lock, stop, the lot, other than the shelving they've left. Yeah, this is where we're at now, unfortunately. Bit gutting, because obviously we started to get somewhere, started to see a vision. We had projects in, we had veterans lined up that got involved and come down with a Land Rover, which we were quite looking forward to build. And 4 of them being ex-REME, 22 years serving, which was brilliant. And seeing their state of mind, being ex-REME and seeing the Land Rover in place, it was looking promising and giving them something to focus on. But for whatever reason now, the charity have gone, literally the last day or 2, other than my stuff at the back, and taken ramps. Obviously, just to clear things up, obviously they got grants for me to build what was in here. So, obviously because they're pulling out and they're leaving, they obviously took all the tools that were sorted via Draper. They've took everything with them. So yeah, not ideal, but it will continue. Again, as I was saying, it was my passion to build this sort of space and use the unit at Reverse Hub for the concept in general. So nothing's going to change. It just means we're back to square one. So now it's a case of moving forward, speaking to a lot of contacts, and seeing where we can go from there now. Yeah, so it's a case of now reaching out. I've had a lot of conversations with some good people about moving forward and taking this to where I had visioned it in the first place. There's a lot of people looking to help and get involved. They like the concept of what we was trying to do here and are willing to help. So I shall get back to a place where we can get the guys coming in. Just need the help now, so it'll be a case of reaching out and seeing where we can go. Nothing's changed. If you look back to the first video, nothing has changed at all with the concept and the mindset to it all. It's just a hurdle we've come to that we're going to move past, get on with it. With everything that's gone on so far, sometimes saying less is more things. It's just a case now of doing what's right for the whole concept and helping people really. So we shall see where we go. We'll try and get as many updates as we can going. Now we're a slightly better. There's a lot going on with the hub, like I said, but we're a slightly better place now. So we've had a good clear out on the hub side of stuff, and we've got a few elements of that changing now. So a lot of the hours we've been putting in have all finished now. So it hopefully gives us a chance to move forward on this. It's just a case of putting the effort in now, and I'll make sure it works. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some updates quite soon for you. Please bear with us. Clearly we've got to get some new projects in. Obviously since this has been going on, we've also had a lot of veterans contact us that were looking to get involved and are still looking to help us out. So that and a few big organisations that have seen what's been going on. So yeah, we'll hopefully get in contact with people and take this to the next level now. I mean, it's quite a sorry state really. But blank canvas, and let's make it better, even better now than it was first planned, and for the right reasons, definitely. But yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and follow the builds, and hopefully we'll give you a lot more to see what's going on. Now we're moving forward and doing it properly. Well, thanks for tuning in. I'll speak to you all soon.